This is the definitive guide to resolve the persistent lock breaker not working problem. After experiencing similar frustrations and testing numerous solutions myself, I've identified several effective approaches, and I'm eager to share these with you now. We are here to help you fix lock breaker not working doors and chess error. First, ensuring game file integrity is crucial because corrupted or missing game files often prevent in-game mechanics like lock breakers from functioning correctly. Verifying these files restores the necessary data for proper operation. Next, addressing software compatibility issues is vital. Outdated game versions, operating system conflicts, or old graphics drivers can create roadblocks, so updating these components ensures all parts of your system communicate effectively with the game. Third, resetting in-game settings to their defaults can often clear up hidden configuration conflicts or corrupted preferences that might be interfering with your lock breaker's functionality, giving you a fresh start. Finally, optimizing your system resources ensures the game has enough power to run smoothly. When your computer is strained, it can cause glitches, so freeing up memory and CPU power helps everything, including your lock breaker, work as intended. These methods target the core reasons behind the error, providing a comprehensive solution.